Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Hey, this is Tim with 71155.net Auto Brokers, the new or used car guy. This is the newer used car guy. We are here broadcasting from the office, from the portal office. Actually, we're from the bedroom today. We're not even in the office. But we're working out of the bedroom because it's like 3-4 in the morning, and we're headed to the gym once we do this video. What we're looking at is my antminer, production for the past month. Let's go to the dashboard. I ran my S7 for about 20 days, maybe close to 30 days. Got it on the 19th. Yeah, I probably ran it for like close to 30 days. 20, 28, 25, 30 days. That was my output. I'm actually currently waiting for my T9 to upload. It actually is giving me my first readout, complete readout for my T9. Saying it's on 13.93 terahashes. Another 30 minutes, 517 terahashes. Yeah, right. Gigahashes. And 21.58 gigahashes over one day. That's gonna change. It's gonna average about 10.6. 10 point. Ooh. It's gonna average about 10.5, 10.6 per day. So we're just waiting for it to update. Waiting for the hash rate to update. We've been investing in some Bitcoin, pretty much holding firm lately. I haven't been in my accounts and I haven't been into my extra coin account to find out what they're doing. What they're doing over there. I stopped even looking at Devil Coin. See what they're doing over there. Day War. See what they're doing over there at Day War. Extra seems like it's holding. Kind of firm. The values is going up, but it is kind of manipulated. That's how much I've earned that I've kept in cash. I may buy more Hextra coin. I may just keep it in cash and try to buy BTC and try to take it out that way. I don't know. I'm just gonna wait and see what happens. I've been with them for about 60 days, 2 months today. So, those values have been coming down tremendously. The values came down to under 1%. Now it's under 0.5%. Now it's under 0.4%. So the average is like 0.2% maybe? 0.22, 0.2, 0.2, 0.18, 0.2, somewhere around there. But we don't know what's going to happen with them, if we're going to even be able to purchase Hextra coin, any more Hextra coin, or if we're going to be able to get out of history. Internet connection is jinky. So that's it, you guys. We're going to do the giveaway. YouTube SAC monetization for the websites. Most websites, a lot of websites, smaller websites. But we're going to still continue to give away because we weren't making affiliate money from YouTube anyway. So we're going to continue to give away BTC or Bitcoin. For February, we're going to announce the winner tomorrow. So stay tuned for that one. Get a chance for that webinar. We will be giving away more BTC this month. Alright? Thanks a lot and have a great day.